And the attorney was now cross-examining the doctor, the expert. And now the attorney asked the question he should never, ever have asked. You want to know what he asked him? Doctor, tell us why. You want to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now this was a medical malpractice trial. The defense attorney was now questioning the plaintiff's medical expert. He was actually cross-examining him. And now he made the critical mistake of saying, "Doctor, tell us why." And now what do you think happened? The doctor then went ahead and gave an entire explanation about why the attorney was wrong in the questions that he was asking. He now opened up a box and gave the doctor the opportunity to go ahead and explain to the jury everything that what this attorney was claiming in their defense was totally wrong. And I'm thinking in the back of my mind that this attorney clearly didn't understand the purpose of cross-examination, because if he did, he never, ever would have asked this doctor why. Do you want to know why not? Because when you are cross-examining a witness, you have to do a couple of things. You've got your own agenda. And the agenda is you want to actually be putting words into the witness's mouth, literally. And you only want the expert to go ahead and either agree or disagree or say, "I don't know," or "I can't answer." By doing that, you as the attorney now go ahead and are telling the story. "Doctor, isn't it true that you saw the patient on this day?" "Yes." "And isn't it true that on this day the patient had the following complaints?" "Yes." "And doctor, when the patient complained about these problems, isn't it true that now there are certain tests you can perform?" "Yes." "And one of those tests would be X, Y, and Z. And the second test would be the following." And now what I'm doing is I'm putting words into the doctor's mouth, and I'm asking leading questions that require either yes or no. And I want to keep a tight rein, a tight leash on the doctor. And I know the moment I ask the question why of a doctor, he's going to go ahead and give an explanation that destroys our claim and destroys our case. So when I was sitting in court and I heard this attorney ask that critical question that he should never ever do, I knew immediately he had done something terrible and it would likely hurt his case significantly. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on during the trial process in a medical malpractice case or in an accident case or even a wrongful death case here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.